Hello everyone, my name is Rayken J.A. Galgo. I'm going to present this solar panel system efficiency calculator. What is solar panel system efficiency calculator? Solar panel efficiency is simply the ratio of sunlight energy and panel converts to electricity. So if a panel receives 1000 watts per meter squared of sunlight on a bright day, a perfect 20% efficient panel would generate 200 watts and lose the other 800 watts in heating or reflection. Another example is solar panel efficiency can be determined by considering various parameters including the panel's maximum power rating and surface area. Additionally, factors such as open circuit voltage, short circuit current, maximum power output, and fill factor can aid in understanding the efficiency of individual solar cells. Another example of solar panel efficiency calculator. Consider a 1 square meter panel if it produces 1 kilowatts of electricity at midday. On the equator, we could say it was 100% efficient since it would receive 1 kilowatts of sunlight and convert it into the same amount of electricity. If a panel of the same size produced 200 watts of power instead, the efficiency is 200 watts divided 1000 watts times 100 is equal to 20%. The problem statement of solar panel. Current solar panel system efficiency calculators lack seamless integration with real-time monitoring data, hindering adaptive optimization strategies and preventing accurate assessments of system performance under varying operational conditions. Calculation output, like for example on this picture. Solution: financial analysis. Incorporate a cost benefits analysis module that accounts for maintenance, replacement, and return on investment. Model impact of efficiency losses on energy production and financial returns. Provide detailed reports on system performance and financial viability. That's all. Thank you.